Hi everyone, welcome to day 12 of my 30 days of vlogging in November, hashtag daily in November, where I upload a video and a picture every day of the month. Today I wanted to take you on a quick tour of my lounge room, living room. It's only small, but it's got the essentials, and I just want to share it with you in case it helps you along your minimalist journey in some way. So let's go and have a look. So this is the lounge room. Basically it's a square shaped, so we've got furniture on the two opposing sides, and then the other two sides have nothing on them. One is a window and the other one it leads to the dining room and other rooms. Okay, so let's start the little tour with the couch side. So we've got the couch here in sort of a tan color. We went with this color to keep the colors nice and warm. The couch has some cool little features. I love the sides of it because you can lay down on it and have a rest. You can also put the back of it down. It's adjustable to a few different levels. So you can put your arm on there if you like, or store some cushions behind it. It's quite a practical couch and it's quite comfortable, and it's been well used since we got it about 6 months ago. On the side there you see a plant. It's I think a fig of some sort, I can't remember the exact name, and we've just got to pot it in a black pot to keep it simple. I would like to get away from the plastic, so I am searching for a better pot in a black, something more natural. When I get that, that will be replaced. So going up the top now, we've got the air conditioning there and also a fan and a light. And we'll switch sides now, but on the way there we'll have a look at the rug. So just to dampen the sound in the room a little bit, I've placed a rug, also the same color as the cushions, just to give a little bit of color matching, but also contrast the floor. I thought something darker rather than lighter would be good, as the walls are quite light and there's a lot of white in the room already. So starting with the furniture, the two long pieces you can see there are actually in two sections, and they just open up and provide a storage shelf for anything that we want to store away. You'll notice that we have mounted them off the ground. I like the idea of space underneath, and I feel it makes the room look a little bit bigger for the small room that it is. And also we've left space up the top so we can hang plants. And in the middle you can see just a decorative pot there in black, again just to contrast, and I love the wooden bottom of it just to give it a little bit of natural feel. Then we've got the HomePod. I've found this device great. We use it almost daily just to play music from Apple Music library. Moving along, there's the television, just a standard television, nothing special. It's actually quite old and probably needs replacing as it's playing up a little bit. And in the corner there you can see the modem, and underneath we've got a thing called Telstra TV. And going along from there, there's just a little hub that expands some of the network ports for us and the remote controls. And in the corner I've got a lamp that's really old, but I've loved it for so long. It also is from IKEA and probably needs a bit of a replacement. And moving up the top there, we've got the plants. So I've gone with 5 just to give, I feel that an odd number is always nice when you're presenting things. And we were going to put the same kind of plants up the top, but then I had an idea to just actually mix and match and just, like humans, make them all different so that they've all got their little character. And they're hanging up. We've just drilled a couple of hooks and they're hanging up in little sort of terracotta baskets. The bulbs that we use in the house for lighting are always the 3200 Kelvin. I like that yellow light. I think it's warm and inviting. And on the floor we've just got floorboards, as you can see, very easy to clean and maintain, and also don't come with all the issues that carpet brings along. So I hope you found that helpful in some way. Let me know in the comments section what else you'd like to see, and like and subscribe to see more from me and to help this channel grow. I'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog.